meet our cutie little puppies. This is, oh, this is kissing. This is Patty here. Hi, Papa. Patty, and this is Cutie Pie Polly. Polly has, oh, sorry, little baby. Sorry, little baby. I hurt you. This is Polly. Polly. They all love to kiss.
A mouse.
And they're so cute.
A mouse.
And they're so black.
A mouse.
Yeah.
A mouse. A mouse.
They're not mouse. They're little pup. They're little kitty puppy. So playful and busy girl and happy.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Do you want to get up and get them something to eat? Because they like you a lot. They want to play with you. Are you not hiding there?
I don't think they can get up. Can they?
I
Can they
think
get up
so.
No. I think so.
Okay. Go play. Go play. So in our home, they all share bed, treats, toys. So we make sure they're gonna grow up with no aggression with toys, and they can all share. What good babies! Come on. There's so many. Which one you want? Which one do you want? Oh, that one's yours. Okay. How about this one for you? This one for you. Here's Patty wagging tail. Patty has more of it up and down ears. And this is Polly with the perk ears. So cute. They're such big ears. And yummy. This is super yummy. Pussy? You know which one is which?
No.
Come. This is Patty. And this is Polly. And they're so busy. Enjoying their treat. Polly looks just like her mommy, right? You look just like your mama. Oh, here. Yummy. That's a good girl. It's a good girl. Oh. You kiss too. Okay. Everybody kiss. You have your own. You're such a lazy girl, huh? Laying down all comfortable and enjoying your treat.